The Stetsom Infinite Black 200 ampere charger delivers extremely strong current output, making it ideal for demanding car audio systems and other high-draw setups. Its wide alternating current input range supports both 127-volt and 200-volt household power, so it works reliably in a variety of electrical environments. The charger maintains a stable direct current operating window around typical automotive battery voltages, which helps keep high-performance batteries healthy during extended use. Despite its high current capability, the unit remains reasonably compact with a low-profile design that fits easily into tight installation spaces. Build quality feels robust with solid connections and substantial weight that inspire confidence for continuous duty use in serious audio or competition vehicles. Overall, this charger is a powerful and dependable choice for enthusiasts who need consistent high current delivery without sacrificing reliability or installation flexibility.